When they are together, they don't cry.
Our kids will be best friends.
Yeah. Faster, Machinova, faster. I need you to push my car forward. You won't catch me, Machinova.
Wait for me, ballerina.
Just wait here for a sec, Machinova. I'll be right back.
Okay then, ballerina.
Hey, ugly? Huh? How did someone as ugly as you even get into this school? Get out of here. I don't want to study with someone who looks like you. Loser!
What are you doing? Leave her alone! Get out of here! Are you okay?
Thank you, Sahur. I'm okay.
I'll go to class now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sahur.
Wow, Machinova, in a good mood today, huh?
I don't know. I think I might be falling in love. Okay, I can do this. I'll tell Sahur I like him.
Ballerina, I want to be with you. Will you be my girlfriend?
I say yes.
Ballerina cappuccina.
Hi, Machinova. Let's go home together. Machinova? What's wrong with her?
Why, ballerina? Why did you take Sahur from me?
Hey, Machinova. What got you interested in hiking today?
I just felt like going on a little adventure. Ballerina, I'm sorry, but Sahur has to be mine.
Machinova!
Goodbye, ballerina. Ballerina, she's gone. She fell from the cliff.
What? There's no way that happened!
No one will ever take Sahur away from me again. Here's the money. I don't care how. Just make me beautiful. Yes, I finally become beautiful. You're not alone, Sayer. I'll stay by your side and take care of you.
Sahur, what are you two doing?
Ballerina? Why is she still alive?
Sahur, please don't leave me alone.
Please, Ballerina, hear me out. Machinova told me you were dead. Thank God you're still alive.
I was lucky Bombombini saved me.
Goodbye, ballerina.
Machinova!
Bombombini Guzini.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Thank you for saving my life.
Let's go home together. Ballerina cappuccina.
Just one drop of this could kill an elephant.
This time, there's no one left to save you, ballerina.
Guess who's here, Ballerina? She must have made this latte just for me.
Oh my God, Sahur! No, please, Sahur. Hang in there, Sahur. I'll get you to the hospital. Press like if you want God to revive Sahur.